Before you build an AI employee or AI agent, you need absolute clarity on how it will process calls, qualify leads, and trigger actions so that you will know how your AI employee will work from beginning to the end. So in today's video, I'm walking you through the full flow chart of how my AI employee will work from start to finish. Welcome back to the 30 Days AI Built in Public Challenge. I'm creating a voice AI and conversational AI chatbot using Go High Level. And today, I'm mapping out the entire workflow visually so you can understand the full system before I start building the components. That is the reason behind this episode. So this before you start building, so there are something you need to know. So the AI employee I'm building is of two. It will take two routes. So there is a one that handle the emergency, and there will be one that handle the just routine check or just a routine follow up. So for the emergency, this is how the flow chart will be. So when someone call in, maybe there's an emergency. So first thing that AI will do is to qualify the call to know maybe it is emergency or not. So that is the first thing that AI will do to know if this thing is emergency. And how will it know maybe it's emergency? So it is from the prompting. There will be some area that I will put something that, okay, whenever it is in case of maybe destroying of property or something like maybe even if the person mentioned, okay, it is an emergency situation. So what the AI will do, the AI will trigger a workflow. So after qualifying it and letting the person to be rest assured that we are taking it up, it will trigger a workflow. A workflow called emergency alert. So inside this workflow, what is that? So inside this workflow, what it will happen there is that it will send SMS to the owner that there's an urgent lead that the owner need to follow up with it. Add tag, emergency tag to it, create tags due in 5 minutes, and if it send the emergency alert to the owner and the owner does not check it up, the last result is that the AI system the system itself will call the owner. So, and once it called the owner, so it will mention the area where the property is, the issue that the person have, and the situation that they are in. So, and what it will do is that it will ask the user, the owner, to call, like to press one to connect with the leads. And if it's press one, it will connect directly with the lead without the owner typing it again. So that is what will happen with the workflow. So, and when the person call back, so you the schedule an on-site diagnosis or even on call to know what is the issue and the schedule repair if something that needs scheduling or if it is something that need a physical presence. So that is the first workflow how the AI employee will work for that of emergency. So that the person, the owner will not miss that call. Because you can recall the main reason I'm building this is that a friend of mine almost lost a contract due to was not available to pick a call. So the next one is to show us the workflow for if it is routine check. So let me share my screen so that be able to see this. So if it is routine check, what will happen for routine check? So for routine check, so what will happen is this. So let's zoom in. So for the routine check, the AI qualify the routine check, like to know if the person is calling for just routine check. Maybe the person mentioned that I just want to check, I just want to book a schedule and just to book a routine maintenance. So once it is routine check and AI qualify that, what will happen is that AI using book appointment system, that is, it will book that appointment inside the calendar. So an AI created, an event created on calendar, and AI will trigger routine and lead workflow. And what will happen to this workflow is that inside this workflow is that it will send email to the office that there's a lead that enter and had to add a tag to it that routine lead should follow up with it. So and add tag. So and it will, this notification will be received by every member of the organization of the firm. So that they will know that something is so there's a lead that enter. So and if in 10 minutes or if anyone does not attend to the lead, the AI itself will call the owner of the business to let them to let him or her know that there's there's a lead that is in the pipeline that they should try to close it fast. So another thing it will do is that it will send a reminder to the person that booked the appointment, and that is what happened here. So once the AI confirm the booking, it will send an SMS and email to the customer. So for the customer to know that okay, we are on it, and it will follow up with the owner of the business to know that okay, this person you need to follow up and send a reminder to the send reminder to the person that needs the appointment. So that is how the AI will work. So all through, so that you understand what we are building. So and you're able to follow up to the end. So and so that you already know the picture of what we are building now. So in the next video, so I will now mention okay some of the checklists, something you should be expecting at the end of these 30 days. The checklist that we need to take, okay, the thing that we need to do. So, and if you want to see this, ensure that you subscribe so that you can see what I'm doing next. And if you want to see the full system come to life step by step, subscribe and stay tuned for tomorrow checklist. Thank you.